Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Julia from Curandera Press. I'm going to show you how to wrap your veladoras, your prayer candles, in our Curandera Press clear candle wrap labels today. I have a special technique that I've developed. And I'm going to show you the best way to cover your candles today to ensure that they look professional, that there's no air bubbles underneath. So first of all, you're going to want to get your candle. It's ideal to get your candle from your local botanica, or bodegas sell them as well. And then you're going to want to purchase your clear candle wrap label from curanderapress.info. We're working with the Student Debt Be Gone candle label today. And so I'm going to show you how to wrap your candles the right way. So all glass candles, all glass prayer candles have a seam. So you're going to want to find that seam on the candle. It's going to be kind of light. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find that seam on your candle, and you're going to line up your label to the edge of that seam. That helps ensure that your candle label goes on straight all the way around. Now, if it goes on crooked, that's not a problem. It's not the end of the world. Your candle will still work if you channel your intentions into it. But I like to have a nice, clean, clear label with as little air pockets in it as possible. Especially if you're going to be gifting these candles, it comes in handy. So what you're going to want to do is separate the candle label from the backing. And just a heads up, the back of your label is going to be super sticky. So try not to have any pets or any human hair around there, otherwise it will get lodged underneath that label. So what I'm doing right now is I am placing my label in alignment with the seam of the candle to ensure that it remains straight. I'm hitting that with some pressure, and then I'm going to keep my hand all the way around. I'm going to keep my hand center and lightly pressured as I wrap the candle lightly. Eventually I'll go around and sort of distribute that pressure around the label, but this helps ensure that the label sits in place without any air pockets. It's a super easy, super quick process, but sometimes, it takes a little more effort. Otherwise, thanks for tuning in. Curanderapress.info. You can find these labels. We've got all different kinds. And don't forget to dress your candles however you want them at the end or before. Bye.